In the last lesson, we've created the HTML and CSS part of the carousel. The two buttons used are images created by myself. Buttons are icons, and usually your web page will need lots of icons. In this lesson, we'll learn a brilliant and free icon solution. This solution is called Fontawesome. This is the official website of Fontawesome. You can get all the resources you need here. We can see Fontawesome have integrated almost all commonly used icons for us. If we search the keyword arrow, we can get the icon we need. To use Fontawesome, we should first install it. This means we need to link its source code into our own project. We can download the source code and move it into our project folder. Alternatively, we can install the source code using a tag called CDN. CDN means linking the source code from somebody else's server. This can save us our own bandwidth and storage space. Put your email here and they will send you the link. For now, we'll stick with the traditional method, downloading the file and moving it into the project folder. I've already downloaded the file, and this is what I've got, a zipped file. Unzip it and you'll get a file folder. Open it and you'll see 4 child folders: CSS, Fonts, Less and SCSS. Open the CSS folder and you'll see 2 CSS files inside it. The 2 CSS files are identical in terms of contents. The only difference is the second one has removed all the indents and put all the codes on the same line. This is basically unreadable for a human, but more efficient to run. For our official program, we'll only need the second CSS file, the one ending with min.css. You can actually delete the first one. This is the project folder of our carousel program. We move the Fontawesome folder into it. In the carousel program, we link the CSS file from the Fontawesome folder. And now the installation is done. Our program can use the services provided by Fontawesome. Our next job is to find the icon image we need. We go back to the official website of Fontawesome. We pick the icon image we want and click it. This line of code is what we're looking for. We copy and paste it into our own project file. And we can see, after we've pasted the code, an icon has appeared. We can delete the icon image and assign the left button class to the I tag. However, if we refresh the page now, we can see that some of the old CSS properties don't work. This is because icons provided by Fontawesome are not actually an image, they're actually fonts. If you want to adjust their size, you use the CSS property font size. And if you want to change the color, of course, you use CSS property color. Using the same method, we replace the second button.